Struggling with App Store connection? Follow these simple steps. Force restart your device. To force restart your iPhone, press and release the volume up button on your iPhone's left side. Then, quickly press and release the volume down button. Press the side button until you see the Apple logo. Release the side button and wait for the iPhone to load. To force restart your iPad with Face ID or Touch ID, press the volume up button and quickly release it. Press the volume down button and quickly release. Press and hold the top button. Release the top button when the Apple logo appears. To force restart your iPad with the home button, simultaneously press and hold the top button and the home button. Release them when you see the Apple logo. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Restart network connection. iPhone with Face ID, swipe from the top right corner. iPhone with the home button, swipe up from the bottom. Tap the airplane icon to enable the feature. Wait for a few seconds and turn it off. Reconnect Wi-Fi. In your device settings, go to Wi-Fi. Next to your Wi-Fi name, tap on the information icon. Select Forget this network. After a few seconds, connect to your Wi-Fi again. Allow data usage. Navigate to Settings and tap Mobile Services. Make sure the App Store is enabled. Modify DNS settings. Open Settings and tap Wi-Fi. Tap on the information icon next to your Wi-Fi. Select Configure DNS and select Manual. Remove the current DNS server. Enter the new ones, 8.8.8.8 and 4.2.2.2 or 144.144.144.144. Now, go to the home screen, and on devices with Face ID, swipe up from the middle bottom. On devices with the home button, double press it. Locate the App Store window and swipe on it to close. Open the App Store again and check if it works. Check App Store server availability. If the App Store server is unavailable, there's nothing you can do but wait until the problem is resolved on their end. If everything is okay, and there's no problem with the server, then the issue is either with your device or the app itself. Go to apple.com/support/system status/. Clear out app usage data. Open the App Store and tap your profile icon. Select Personalized Recommendations. Tap Clear App Usage Data and confirm the action. Update the iOS or iPadOS. Open Settings and go to General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Update Now. Relog into your Apple ID. Go to Settings and tap on your Apple ID. Scroll to the bottom, select Sign Out, and follow the instructions on the screen. Tap Sign into your iPhone. Enter your Apple ID credentials and follow the login instructions. Enable location services. Open Settings and select Privacy and Security. Select Location Services and turn on Location Services. Then, tap App Store. Choose Ask Next Time or When I Share or While using the app. Disable VPN. Open your device settings app. Next to VPN, toggle the switch to turn the feature off. Set date and time automatically. Open Settings and tap General. Go to Date and Time and enable Set Automatically. Reset Network Settings. In the Settings app, go to General. Scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. Enter the passcode and confirm the action. Reset the device to factory settings. Open the Settings app and go to General. Scroll to the end and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Erase all content and settings. Tap Continue. Follow the instructions on the screen to erase your device and set it up again. To enhance security and recover device space on your iPhone, download the Combo Cleaner app. With the Internet Security feature, Combo Cleaner will protect your web browsing from scams, phishing, malicious downloads, and rogue websites. The password checker lets you see if your password is strong and not easily hackable. This feature will also check the online breaches database and advise if your password is safe. VPN is also included in the app, which encrypts traffic and hides your IP. Identity protection allows you to assess if your data has been exposed. You can check if your data was disclosed in a breach. SMS security filters SMS messages that contain malicious links, which can compromise your data. Photo Cleaner can help you quickly identify and remove similar photos and the ones with quality issues. The Secure Calendar feature scans links in calendar events and notifies you of the rogue ones, protecting your data from theft. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.